Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 160. This was the 6th of February 2023, a Monday. So this was an important day. I only did 1 minute on the treadmill because it was a very long day, and it started with the people coming to install my solar system. So it was a long day, a lot of time on the phone, a lot of time out there with them. I also worked on books and also did some solar business. So long day, and I didn't get much sleep the night before, so I had a pretty bad couple of days, but I am on the mend, and I am grateful for the people who are the installers coming out and getting on the roof. And I don't handle roofs so well, so I'm glad other people are willing to do that because I'm not. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.